Yeah, what's up, Chopper Gang? What's going on, man? How everybody doing? I know it's been a while, but good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this, man. I appreciate all the views on the last vlog, and I kind of started this video a little late because you see I got the gloves on, so we started a little early on actually the EG coupe. So we're doing a little something on the coupe today. Let me flip the camera and let me show y'all what's going on. Got my boy here helping me out. So today we're gonna take off the exhaust manifold right here, and actually I was able to find a full thermal 2.5 exhaust system. I'm gonna show you guys right now in a second, but we kind of got this started, took off a few screws, and we'll be removing this, and I'll be replacing it with a 1320 header. Let me show you guys the header. Ooh. What you guys think about this header right here? Looking nice, right? Don't mind the exhaust, I'll show you that now. But we're taking out the exhaust manifold, replacing it with that, and then I was able to find a full, oh, let's not mind that, that's some suspension I got from my boy for the coupe also, but found a whole 2.5-inch thermal exhaust, and with a thermal muffler here. All stainless steel. So I'm gonna get back to it with my boy. I'm kind of in a rush right now, but I just wanted to show y'all what we're doing. So I'm gonna get back with my boy. We go get something done, and I'm gonna hit y'all with a little B-roll real quick so y'all can see what's up. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so we back. The header's on already, and I wiped it down with some alcohol because I don't want to turn it on with like oil on it, and then when the heat might like stain it up. But now that we got the exhaust out, which you guys seen on B-roll, we took the whole exhaust straight from the header back. Since the exhaust is off, I also got like a extended shifter. Let me show you guys, matter of fact, I'll show you real quick. Show you what I'm talking about. I bought this shifter here. So what we're gonna do now, I'm actually gonna remove the factory shifter and replace it with this one. Now that the exhaust is out, it'll make it a lot easier. So we'll get that done, and we'll put the exhaust on and finish the install. So I didn't want to bore you guys showing y'all how to take the exhaust and the header off and the muffler. So that's pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how to take it off. I just wanted to show you the process that what we're getting done. But let me show you the header one more time. Tell me what you guys think in the comments, how it look. What you guys think? What do you guys think about the header here? Looks good? Alright, y'all, before I put the exhaust on, yo te digo ahora cuando lo prenda. Before I put the exhaust on, I just wanted to turn it on with just open header, see what it sounds like. So let's turn it on right now with an open header. Prendelo, wey.
Why does this sound like a killer?
I'll see y'all in a little bit. Let me finish this up. Alright, y'all, so I'm done for the day. We managed to get the header on, the exhaust on. I even put the shifter that I was telling you guys about. But let me show you the finished product and show you the muffler in the back, and you guys tell me what you think about it. Here's the header. What do you guys think? Like it or what? Show you side profile here. Looks pretty cool for a single. I'm gonna take you guys on the first drive right now. I'll set the GoPro up and we're gonna go for a first drive. But let me give you guys a start so you guys can see the exhaust. Let me go in here and show you guys the shifter. I got to put the shifter on. It's an eBay shifter, but they pretty much do the same job. Just make sure you Loctite all the screws on them, you know. Carbon fiber knob. Here's the exhaust. I wiped it with some mothers, so it definitely got a lot of potential to shine up real nice. I'm not too sure about this coming out like far off the bumper, but since the bumper ends here, I think they made these mufflers so it don't stain your bumper with any exhaust fumes. So this is what it looks like. See if you guys can see it down there. So it's a 2.5 thermal. I didn't want to go too crazy, you know. I'm not looking to make a lot of power on this car. I'm just trying to do something fun. And y'all see Big Red over there. And you know, little by little we getting at it. I'm pretty sure you guys want to go on this first drive. Let's see what difference this header is gonna make with the exhaust and everything. So let's go for that first ride. Big difference right off the bat. The acceleration is much smoother. It just responds so good. It's crazy, man. That factory exhaust manifold was holding the car back so much. It's crazy. The shifter feels good too. It's more at a desirable height for me, so way more comfortable. See, let's give it a little yank over here when we make this right. Set it right here, see what we can do. Drives good, drives so much better, man. It even feels better when I shift now with this shifter. It's like the gears is going in smoother. Definitely a must, definitely. I can't wait to put the suspension I got for it. Like that is gonna feel a lot tighter on the road. I actually I showed you guys earlier in the video. I picked up some I believe it's Function and Form. I got them for a good deal. Used, so they look really mint though. So I can't wait to put that on for you guys. I'll be doing a video for that. Alright, y'all, so we ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I always tell ya, like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos, man. Show love. With that being said, I'll see y'all on the next one. It's Chopper out of here.